Alright, JX73 got some new wheels and tires. They're not too bad looking. Neo 420s, 20-inch rims. Not the best shape, but looks decent, I'd say. He's thinking about putting spacers on. He wants a little more stance. But yeah, it definitely just helps the look of the truck for sure. And I believe he's gonna go with a way darker tint. This tint on here is pretty crappy. As you can see, it's peeling in some places, and he's gonna start blacking things out, like the bumper possibly. Lights, obviously. Get rid of some of the chrome on this thing. So, yep, that's a quick update.